A gas terminal is proposed adjacent to the Geelong refinery located in Corio Bay. This new terminal will help to meet the gas shortage forecast for South East Australia. The Geelong refinery, located on Corio Bay, southwest of Melbourne, is a long-standing major hazard facility, MHF, within an industrial area and port. The proposal is to build an extension to the existing pier where a floating gas terminal would be permanently moored on a new shipping berth. Ships carrying liquefied natural gas, LNG, would arrive and dock next to the terminal. The floating gas terminal and LNG ships are specially designed and constructed with the very cold LNG stored as a liquid within the inner hull, which is the inside layer of the ship. LNG would be unloaded into the floating gas terminal where it could be stored and converted back to natural gas as it's needed. A new above-ground pipeline would connect the floating gas terminal to a treatment facility. The treatment facility is a gas blending system that treats the natural gas to ensure it meets Australian standards. Nitrogen is added with an odorant to provide the gas with a distinctive smell. The natural gas will then be sent by underground pipeline to the nearby Victorian transmission system, the existing gas pipeline. All up, about 6.5 kilometres of new pipeline will be constructed. 4 kilometres will be underground and 2.5 kilometres above ground. About a third of the new pipeline will be on Viva Energy's land and operations. The Victorian transmission system then sends the treated natural gas via distributors to households, businesses and industries. At home, we use gas for heating, hot water and cooking. Gas is also a key input into some industrial and manufacturing processes. Seawater is also used by Geelong Refinery for cooling in its day-to-day operations, and the gas terminal will combine its seawater use with that of the refinery. Larger quantities of LNG can be transported or stored more easily when it is a liquid rather than a gas. When the LNG reaches the gas terminal, it is warmed to convert it back to a gas using seawater from the bay, as it is warmer than the LNG. The seawater is drawn into the floating gas terminal through inlets, warming the very cold LNG slowly, and the LNG is converted from a liquid to a gas. This is known as the regasification process. Usually after this process, the cooled seawater is returned into the bay. One of the key benefits of our gas terminal is its location. The Geelong refinery currently uses a similar volume of seawater from Corio Bay that the floating gas terminal will require. We are looking to reuse the cooled seawater discharge as part of our Geelong refinery operations. The floating gas terminal and Geelong refinery would work together by redirecting the cooled seawater from the terminal into the current Geelong refinery seawater intake to be reused as part of the refinery's current cooling operations. It would then be returned back into Corio Bay in accordance with licence requirements. Viva Energy will continue to monitor and assess the quality of the seawater being returned back to Corio Bay and continue to comply with environmental licences. Working safely, protecting the environment, collectively with our community will be critical to our project. The proposed gas terminal would integrate with and enhance the capabilities of the Geelong refinery and our wider business. This project further demonstrates Viva Energy's commitment to fuel Victoria's future.